Click on the online store to access the ordering section. It will focus on ordering transactions, enabling a fully online order chain process. If you have already cooperated with Colors, please log in directly. If you haven't partnered with us yet, please submit an inquiry on the login page, and Colors will get back to you within 1 working day. First, find the products you need. Search for your desired product using the product name, SKU, product category, or buyer's code directly. If you are familiar with the products, you can browse through the product categories in the navigation bar or product list page. The filtering on the product listing page helps you match products more precisely. For example, according to voltage, power, IP processing, etc. If you have not decided which product to buy, you can look by clicking Products menu to find the products you may be interested in. On the product details, you can easily view the tiered pricing and stock availability. Select your desired configuration and add it to shopping cart. The larger quantity, the lower prices. If you have specific delivery requirements, click the Inquire lead time, and we will respond within 1 working day and notify you by email. You will also find a section for recommended accessories areas, which you can add to shopping cart together. In the cart, you can export, perform a invoice PI, modify parameters, replicate, move products to wish list, delete products, and fill in your product code and buyer's code, which you can use to search and reorder. Colors will send you an email notification. Please go to upload the signed contract and payment proof. The delivery date will be sent by email within 2 working days. You can also check it in My Orders. After the order is completed, Colors will send you an email to remind you to pay the balance. And you can see the quantity of orders that have been shipped. Our sales representatives and customer service team will follow up with you and keep you updated on your order status. In your personal center, you can track your order information, including delivery dates, production progress, and shipping details in My Orders. We will also keep you informed via email.